So, welcome to Career AI. This is our new website that we are partaking in as a group. So mostly this website is an AI career path decision maker. So as we are going to continue, I'm going to explain what it entails, what it helps, and how it has solved our community problems. So mostly this AI is more of takes the student skills background in order to provide personal career paths. So it just takes the information that is provided by the user in terms of what he wants in the course or level of education at which he is, and our system comprehends the information that has been placed by the user and gives an overview of the courses that we recommend them to partake for easy transition in the educational level. That means even if you're a form 4 leaver, working part-time, 2 3 years career advanced, because levels are actually different. Now why this stands out, because unlike any other website, and I know this is somehow similar to the likes of Coursera and LinkedIn, our website has, let's say, some qualities of both, considering it's able to pick career paths easily, not necessarily having to be beginner, intermediate, and pro level, but it picks depending on what the user has specified and how he feels in terms of the level he understands. So the skill assets module, this is more of interprets the hard. This is dynamic skill profiling. This is more, it interprets hard soft skills, interest, and proficiency to build personalized skill profiles. Yeah, so our tech stuff overview, the front end, we basically did the HTML and CSS to deliver in terms of responsive and competent based UI, backends and API. We use Python and Flask, which mostly handle our request, data processing, and connects. In terms of AI and machine learning, we use the Google Gemini APIs, which analyzes the student skills and recommends personalized career paths. And architecture, we're talking more of a scalability with the U functions of cloud function, vectors, and external career APIs. So our system workflow, students mostly enter skills, interest, and background to the journey. Then tokenization and features feed the AI to compare against career paths. Our ranked recommendations, that is top career options with clear rationals, courses, skills, and resources. Sorry, and it mostly just iterate and explore. That means adjust inputs and explore clusters to refine the paths with confidence. So yeah, mostly we believe our system will, give the student that sense of more understanding into their course while they integrate, because most of the times it's very difficult for students to fully understand what they really want. So in terms of education and career impact, reduce uncertainty. As I said, the data-driven suggestions clarify options and build students' confidence when given choices and which feel overwhelming. It guides academic decisions, scalable for institutions. That means integrates with advising centers and digital platforms to serve larger populations and more and more. So in terms of any final remarks, so yeah, now this is our dashboard. In terms of education level, we could put diploma and field study. We put information technology, so work and internship experience, some personal hobby. Our location, let's just put Kiambu in Kenya. Now for our technical skills, I sought and preferred to pick JavaScript, SQL, and Python. So yeah, so now let's go to the soft skills and strengths. That's more of the personalization of what more he wants to entail. That's communication, problem solving, and teamwork. For teamwork purposes, in terms of company and integration to companies. So yeah, okay, so our goals and interests, so we can go for remote first. That's our work style. For salary expectation, you can go for under 20k or more. Doesn't matter in terms of what you want. It doesn't limit you. Actually, you can just specify on what type of payroll you want to go through. So in terms of describing your interests, we want you as a person to recommend what your personal interests are in terms of we get more. That's what I read. I enjoy problem solving. So yeah, now it will bring you to career analysis. That means it will give you the courses you're supposed to take, the skills to develop in as an individual, and now your roadmap. That means if it's supposed to be software engineering, what are the roadmaps you're supposed to take? If it's data analysis, the same. So why we partake this project, we felt like most of us, when we're trying to progress in terms of especially IT, we find it hard to develop our skills. We keep on getting the why in our minds a lot. So we decided to create this system to give more solutions for other people like us instead of going to these seminars, which is not actually a bad thing. We can't say it's a bad thing, but I feel it needs to be furthered more. So yeah.